What's the meaning of Catalan? Catalan. Catalan.
Catalan. Catalan. Catalan refers to a language and culture native to Catalonia, an autonomous community in northeastern Spain. The Catalan language is also spoken in some regions of France and Italy. It is a Romance language that shares similarities with Spanish, French, and Italian. Catalan has a rich literary tradition and is recognized as an official language in Catalonia, the Balearic Islands, and Valencia. The Catalan culture is known for its unique traditions, cuisine, and architecture, including the works of famous architects such as Antoni Gaudí.